Oh, Spider-Man. Spider prawn. Spider prawn. Can I scan you? Whoa. No, don't eat me. Don't eat me. Don't eat me. No, don't eat me. Don't eat me. Whoa. Okay, that's not good. That's not good. Where's... there's the suit. Quick. Welcome back, guys. We are over here by the giant Cove tree for two reasons. First reason is because one of my wonderful patrons wanted to dedicate this video to the two wonderfully beautiful and incredible ladies in his life. So to Jenna and Violet. There you go. So Jamie, Jenna and Violet, I hope you all have a wonderful day. And the second reason that we are over by this this Cove tree, and let's face it, if you're going to do a Valentine's Day dedication, this is about the most romantic spot in the whole of Subnautica. Let's be honest. The second reason that we're over here is because I want to see if we can scan this bad boy. Because look at this thing. It's got to be scannable. Surely it must be scannable. Is it scannable? I don't know. Oh, yes, it is. I was thinking it's not then. It is. Giant Cove tree. Let's see. The giant Cove tree. A vast tree encountered in a deep cove, and the only one of its kind encountered on the planet. The tree is surrounded by rays grazing on its pink outer leaves. Bark. A hardy, fast-growing bark covers the outside of the tree. Minuscule organisms inhabit the notches in the surface. Ghost Leviathan eggs. The tree's branches are wrapped around a number of maturing eggs belonging to the species designated Ghost Leviathan. This tree appears to be an ancient nesting ground. The eggs were laid when the tree was young, and now the branches protect and grow with them as they await the right conditions to hatch. Ooh, look! Oh my lord! We've got freaking Ghost Leviathan eggs! I hadn't even realised. I just thought it was a pretty tree with all the rays swimming around. But no, it's actually significant. So this is the birthplace of the Ghost Leviathans. Cool. Okay, we are done here. Let's move on. Okay, I'm fully stocked up and ready to go. I'm taking with me, because we're going to an alien area, I'm going to take the orange tablet and one of the purple tablets, just in case I need keys to get inside. Right, let's jump in the prawn.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Let's try this baby out. So, oh my god, the thrust. The thrust is, look at this. The thrust is awesome. Wow. Oh, Spider-Man. Spider prawn. Spider prawn. Does whatever a spider prawn can. Oh my god, I'm having way too much fun in this suit. Right, so this is the alien area over here. Man, it is so easy to get around in this suit now. Like way easy. You know what? Let's just jump out. Can I scan stuff like this? I need to scan more, like a lot more. No, not scannable. Let's keep going then. So, where are we going? Oh, in here, I guess. Yeah, in fact, in there. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, this suit. It's really funny. Now say like this thing. I wonder if I could scan him. Would he stay still long enough for me to scan him and not eat me? Of course. That's the other thing. Let's sneak up on him and see. Can I scan you? Well, no, don't eat me. 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 Can I? Oh, come on. God, it's a long freaking scan. Got him! Ha ha ha! You know what? We'll look at that when we're back in the suit. Safe. Let's have a look. So you are called a river prowler, a fast, agile predator discovered at great depths. Jaws, powerful jaws used for both savaging prey and warding off larger predators. Torso, its eel-like torso is highly vulnerable, consisting predominantly of spinal column and cartilage. shows significant overlap with other eel-like predators. Attack profile. It will attack... it will aggressively keep its jaws facing its opponent, but smaller, faster life forms may have the advantage. Assessment: avoid. I'm so tempted to kill it. But no, I'll leave it alone. We've got things to do. It's going to move on. Let's move a bit quicker. Oh my god! Oh, warper. Wow, this place is freaking huge! Look at the size of this! What is this like some kind of robot arm or something? No. It looks like it. Is it scannable? Let's have a look. Oh, you are scannable. Damaged cable. What are you about? These thick cables were designed to anchor the nearby facility to the surrounding cave walls. Damage to some of the cabling has resulted in the facility collapsing to the floor. Calculations suggest such damage would require an external percussive force in excess of 300 tons. Okay, wow. So something very big happened to this facility. Oh, hang on a second. You know that skeleton that we scanned?
This alien structure appears to have collapsed to the sea floor.
And it said that it suffered head trauma from like ramming into something. Ooh, whoa! Okay, that's not good. That's not good. There's the suit, quick. Okay. Well. Yeah, let's... How'd you like my drill? Whoa. That was freaking scary. I was not expecting that. That was like completely out of nowhere. Wow. Those warpers are freaking creepy and terrifying and also a little bit annoying. So, like, how the hell do you get into this place? I can hear a warper behind me. Okay, that's not a way in.
Detecting an alien broadcast. Linguistic analysis reads: caution, hazardous materials and life forms contained within.
Okay, because... Whoa, what the hell? Oh. If I wasn't scared before, kind of am now. Ooh, bones. Can we scan the bones? No, we can't scan the bones. Can we scan this? Amoeboid. What's an amoeboid? A simple non-sentient organism found attached to land with high levels of fossilized organic matter. It feeds on this matter until it reaches maturity, at which point it divides to create two new genetically identical offspring, and the cycle continues. Okay, cool. They've put so much work into this game, haven't they? So much thought and care. Should I maybe get up on top of it? Maybe there's an entrance at the top. Let's give it a try. My God, you can... What, is that an entrance? Let's get up on top. Let's get right up on top. Have a look. God, I love these jets. These jets are awesome. Wow, this place is freaking big. Look at the warpers. You stay over there, pal. Yeah, you know what? This place could do with a lot of investigation. Because, like, where the entrance is, I mean, heaven only knows. I mean, this place is freaking huge. So, let's see. Is this... Okay, what is this? Whoa. Up. I mean, it looks promising. Whoa. Wait. There you go. Taste my drill. Rawr. There you go. Did I get him? No, he's still moving. There you go. Have some more drill. You still alive? I think he might be dead now. You dead? No, he's still alive. Just. Okay. Right, let's carry on. Oh, okay. Why can't I move? I'm stuck on something. God, I love the prawn suit. Seriously, I love the prawn suit. We've got an ion cube. Let's go grab that.
Interior walls in this section are substantially reinforced, indicating the designers were seeking either to keep something out or contain it within. Whatever their intention, it clearly failed.
Okay, I'm kind of hoping that they were trying to keep something... I don't know, what's worse? Trying to keep something out or trying to keep something in? Either way, it's not good. We've got a force field. Ah, can I get through with it? No, you can't force your way through. Okay. Let's have a look. Can we scan this? No, I guess it's the same as the others. But we've got a purple tablet. There we go. Force field control. Ooh, quick, get in case we're about to release something hideous. I love it. I want to walk around in this. I suppose I've got to get out to scan. Oh, data terminal. Can I scan it? No. No. Specimen research data.
Integrating new PDA data.
Specimen research data, a catalogue of information on the organisms previously contained within the alien facility. A number of entries have been translated. Small herbivore gamma. This entry seems to reference the common peeper. Shows no immunity to infection. Death commonly occurs within 4 days. Shows symptom remission on exposure to enzyme 42, but symptoms quickly recur. Shows advanced learning behaviours. Shows some capacity to transmit enzymes to other specimens. Leviathan embryos. Adult specimen too large to study in containment. Egg specimens acquired from nesting site. Oh yeah, because that's a clever idea, right? Have they never watched Jurassic Park, for heaven's sake? Well, no, I think it was Jurassic Park 2, wasn't it? Embryos show no signs of immunity. Death commonly occurs within 3 weeks. A small sample of eggs has been retained for continued high-priority research on Leviathan hatching mechanisms. Yeah, I'm kind of guessing that this has definitely got something to do with it. Large carnivore theta, off-site lab established to study remains. Ooh, is that something we can find? Shows some potential for immunity to infection, but physical remains so far proved insufficient for full reconstruction. Unidentified Leviathan. This Leviathan species has been assigned designator Sea Emperor. Oh my god, there's something bigger than stuff we've already seen. Bone samples from Emperor specimens indicate some potential for Kara immunity. This is immunity to the Kara bacteria, or bacterium. Single specimen captured for study at purpose-built containment facility, constructed in volcanic region at depth 1.4 kilometres. Ooh, okay. So I guess we've got to find that place. While it is unlikely that the Emperor specimen is still contained within the facility described, it may be possible to acquire further data there on the aliens' attempts to develop a vaccine. All right, well, that's obviously the next step. Is there anything else in here? It doesn't look like it, does it? Yep. Does not look like it. Okay, well, you know what? I'm just going to have a quick peek with the torch. No, there's nothing else in there. Right.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Thank you. So let's keep going. Nothing there. We've got an ion cube down here. Let's grab that. Where are we going now? Down here. Oh, where's that glass wall? Get through here? No. Nope, nothing in there. And okay, so I guess we're going down here. Can't move. Can I get through here? Oh man. Alrighty, take a deep breath. Let's go. So we've got ooh, creepy place. What's this? Oh, you are scannable. Sea Dragon Egg. This large egg is held in a hermetically sealed environment and has been chemically sterilised. Without the means at the facility to house a full-grown sea dragon specimen, it's possible the aliens sought to study instead the egg-laying and incubation process to see to what end is unclear. Well, I think we know to what end. To try and find a cure. Oh, there we go. Ribcage samples. A display case containing an array of rib cages harvested from the indigenous lifeforms. There is particular focus in this instance on vertebrate skeletal structures. While some of these skeletons match organisms encountered on the planet so far, most cannot be matched with confidence, suggesting either that there are species out there not yet accounted for, or that they have become extinct since these samples were collected. Now, from the dating that we've had so far, this facility was operational like 1,000 years ago or something, wasn't it? Can we scan this table? No? God, it's a shame you can't get like alien tables and stuff that you could put in your own base. That'd be kind of cool. Is this scannable? Oh, it is. Ray specimens. Different species of ray indigenous to this planet, each adapted to different environments. There are almost 100% genetically identical to those encountered on the planet today, suggesting that rays in particular have undergone little evolutionary mutation in the past millennia. Ghost rays, jelly rays, crimson rays, rabbit rays likely all share a common evolutionary ancestor. The alpha ray would have been evolved deep in the ocean trenches, quickly growing in line with available food supplies. It would have most resembled the ghost ray in size and appearance, with translucent skin for camouflage and forward-mounted eyes for hunting. A fast and fearsome stalker of small creatures in the dark. While some rays have stayed within the limits of the cave systems where they first evolved, others are relatively more recent adaptations to new environments, likely the results of overpopulation. All the rays on this planet have given up predation in favour of herbivorous scavenging and use poisonous flesh to protect themselves. Okay, cool. Aren't we learning so much? I'm going to go back and refresh the O2, having read that. Reading those things is like, it's great, but man, it kind of does take up the old time. It costs you a lot of O2. So, am I missing anything here? I really don't want to miss anything in a place like this. We've got... Oh, it's not. I thought that was an ion cube. It's not an ion cube. Data terminal. What's this?
Integrating new PDA data.
Damage report. Leviathan detected at facility perimeter, closing at high speed. Exterior anchor cable impacted with massive force. So that is what happened. The Leviathan rammed it. Exterior anchor system buckling. Facility sinking. Collision with sea floor. Breaches detected in containment unit 7. Leviathan eggs. Immediate specimen destruction protocol initiated. 314 specimens destroyed. 1 specimen unaccounted for. Evacuating staff to off-site sanctuaries. Planetary quarantine protocol initiated. Infected individuals may not leave the planet. So, okay, so there's 1 specimen unaccounted for. Oh, God, like, please tell me it's not still here. Oh, another ion cube. My God, there's plenty of ion cubes around here. Do I want to... You know what, I'm going to refresh the O2 again before I go on, because... You know how bad I am. And you guys keep saying, "Don't stop, like cutting it so close with the O2." So I'm gonna this time. It's nowhere near as entertaining though, watching me like gasping for air at the last second. What the hell is this? Okay, no idea. No idea. Shame you can't get out. I mean, can you get out there? Maybe there's a... No.
Residual biological evidence suggests indigenous life forms were brought to this location and subjected to intensive study. Data pertaining to the bacterium is being downloaded. Caution. Detecting atypical fluctuations in blood plasma proteins. A self-scan is strongly advised.
Okay. Kara Contagion profile. This terminal contains extensive data. You know what? We'll read that when we get back. Because otherwise, because it's really long. Let me scan stuff. Biological matter. Warper parts. The organic parts on display contain DNA from dozens of different organisms, largely originating off-world. They are in varying states of augmentation with advanced technologies. This production line setup suggests these self-warping constructs were built, maintained and deployed by the aliens that designed this facility. Oh, okay. Alrighty. So the warpers are working for the aliens. No. No. Bet you. No. What's this stuff? No. 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 Can't scan any of that. No. No. Can't scan that. Is that it? Oh my god! I suddenly realised what that was. That's a freaking warper! Self-warping quarantine enforcement unit. Okay, you know what? We'll read that when we get back. I need to get back, I think. It's a shame you... Oh, I was just going to say it's a shame you can't get out here, but apparently you can. Skeletal Remains. Okay. Well, we'll read that in a second as well. Okay, we've got a lot to read. Oh man. Right, let's read some of this stuff. So let's start off with this. The skeletal remains of a vast predator housed within an artificial habitat. So this is one of the ones that they were studying, I guess. It was kept alive in containment for research purposes for months or even years. Organic matter indicates the habitat once supported extensive plant life, though it has since decayed. When the facility collapsed... Whoa! Go away. Leave me alone. When this facility collapsed, this specimen was either left to die or killed on the spot. Evolution. While it shares some skeletal traits with the biter and sand shark, including its distinctive double eye sockets, this fossilized specimen is significantly larger and features unusual forearms rarely seen in aquatic species. This species has likely gone extinct in the past 1,000 years, and its evolutionary relatives have evolved almost beyond regular... Okay, I'm going to have to kill this guy because he's annoying me. Do you need killing? Oh, he's run away. Chicken. Yeah, done that. Oh, here we go. Self-warping quarantine enforcer unit. This life... Let's look. I want to look at the picture. God, that thing's creepy. This life form shows signs of heavy genetic modification and extensive mechanical grafting. Its digestive and pulmonary systems have been replaced by an onboard battery, receiving energy direct from the main grid and distributing it around the body. Miniaturized phase technology has been implanted beneath the skin and is triggered by the central nervous system, allowing the construct to teleport at will. The brain and central nervous system have been digitally augmented with advanced processing power and remote communications. Programmable hunter-killer. Avoid. Is that who's been sending the radio messages? Running around killing everybody. It's got to be, hasn't it? It's got to be. Got to be. I'm just going to drink something quickly. Let's just drink a quick
Vital
water.
signs stabilizing.
Okay. Contagion profile. This terminal contains extensive data regarding the bacterial contagion identified as Kara, first encountered during routine network expansion on outer worlds. Pandemic development. Network error resulted in routine quarantine procedure failure. Contagion was uploaded to and quickly spread through the core worlds. Confirmed deaths, 143 billion individuals. Bacterial mechanisms. Attaches to healthy living cells and mutates the basic genetic structure. Symptoms. Stage 1, gradual immune system failure. Stage 2, green skin lesions and flu-like symptoms. Stage 3, unpredictable alterations to biological structure. Stage 4, complete shutdown of executive function. In other words, death. Emergency steps taken. Core worlds quarantined. Bacterial samples distributed to isolated disease research facilities, like this one, for vaccine development. Treatment procedure, unknown. Ooh, I think we've made a step forward discovering this place. Okay, so I think we're done here. It looks like we're done here. I mean, we've certainly got the story of what happened and whatever, and it's told us that we need to go to another place that's like 1.4 kilometers down, 1,400 meters. So yeah, I guess it's time to go back. Okay, so I found something. This is the field of bones, right? And you can see I've got a beacon planted just in there. This is the head, the gigantic freaking head of this blooming enormous creature. Oh, and there is the Ghost Leviathan, which is why I'm staying over this side. Oh, run away! If we sneak over here into this cave, now this is where we actually came in. This leads eventually to the outside world. This is up at the northern entrance. The northern blood kelp trench. But there's this little side passage over here which I almost missed completely. Because like even when I came into here I was like, oh, it's just a dead end. But there's this part in here which has another huge skeleton in it. And it's lit with these really, really weird, creepy alien... Oh, what? Oh, mummy. It's so freaking... Oh, stop it! No. Oh, the noises. Alright, let's jump out. Get the old scanner out. Pretty sure this has got to be scannable. Here we go. Ancient skeleton. What are you going to be all about? Ancient fossilized skeleton. The skeleton of a million-year-old armored carnivore. Projections suggest this life form would have been larger than any living creature encountered on the planet. The oceans of the time would have been very different to support life forms of this size, with more open geography and many more individuals in the Leviathan range. Are these scannable? Oh, they are! I wasn't expecting it. Alien sensor. Data downloads. The prominence and facing of these alien devices suggests they are some kind of probe or sensor. Their subject would seem to be the vast skeleton in the centre of the cavern. Yes, I think that's kind of obvious. The attached cable network may lead to a remote power station or data hub. Investigate. Oh, okay. Well, let's get the sub. I'm using the sea moth to, like, when I'm kind of investigating around because it's just the fastest thing. So, here we go. So is this going somewhere? Oh, it looks like it's going somewhere. Oh, we've got a force field. We've got a force field. Let's jump out. Oh, I love these little places. God, this game is so good. Oh, orange. I clicked on that without meaning to. But that's used the orange tablet. I don't suppose there's any chance for me scanning this, is there? Oh, no. 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 Oh, an alien laboratory, I guess? You know, I wonder if can I get the... I don't think I can get the moth in here, unfortunately. Oh, alien bone specimen case. Let's check this out. Mixed Leviathan fossils. These fossils likely came from the ancient ancestors of the Leviathans which inhabit the planet today. The relative size and delicacy of these bones suggests they form part of the ear canal or some other complex internal structure. But look at the size of it. That's just like a tiny ear bone. Very cool. Oh, okay. Data terminal. Fauna reproductive data. Extensive alien research on the local fauna with a special focus on their reproductive methods. Core conclusions have been synthesized. The aliens discovered the life forms on the planet have just one sex. They observed local organisms engaging in asexual reproduction. All healthy individuals tested were capable of egg laying. Eggs usually require genetic material from another of the species. In rare case, only one parent was required, with evolutionary mutation introduced by the effects of the environment itself. Research appears to be focused around hatching conditions and genetic variations between parent and child. So this is tying into the whole Leviathan egg thing that's been going on. Okay, alien flora specimen case. This is fascinating stuff, isn't it? Local plants being held in stasis. The aliens evidently sought an extensive knowledge of the plant's ecosystem, which would have been necessary to support any live specimen research. Okay, so this is kind of what they were doing before the big alien research centre, I guess, by the look of it. Alien research equipment. A large laboratory table and accompanying scanners incorporate technologies far beyond our current level of understanding. Hypotheses, equipment maintenance, staff maintenance, specimen analysis, specimen gene manipulation. And we've got a creature egg. And I know what that creature is. That is a cuttlefish. We've actually already got one. But look at the big eyes. Oh, isn't it cute? We'll grab you. We'll hatch you out back at base. Right, and when we've got not one, not two, but oh my god, 3 ion cubes. Let's grab you, grab you, grab you. Right, and I think that looks like pretty much everything. I'll have a quick look once I've got a bit of oxygen. Oh, just ran straight to the back of the moth. Is there anything else around? What are you? Oh, a bit of nickel ore. I'll take that. Anything? Oh, we've got a ruby up here. I'll grab that as well. Anything else? Anything? Oh, another ruby up here. Anything else? No, I think that is pretty much it. This isn't a door, is it? Kind of looks like a door. Is that a doorway? Like, is it just me, or does that look like a door? I think it's just accidental. I think it's just panels. I'll try and scan it, but no, it's not. That looks like a freaking doorway, doesn't it? It really does. Okay, whatever. Oh man, this place just gets more and more and more interesting and more creepy. It said I should do a self-scan, so.
Self-scan complete. Bacterial infection has spread to the skin and pulmonary system. Medical report recorded to databank. It is imperative you find a way to neutralize the infection.
Oh no! Oh my god! So we're what? That was stage 2. That was stage 2, wasn't it? Oh my lord! What was that? No, bacterial infection report. You've been infected with a previously unknown waterborne bacterium. It's currently multiplying in your bloodstream. Estimated incubation time 2 weeks. Your immune system is currently combating the infection at low efficacy. You may already be experiencing flu-like symptoms and skin irritation. These will likely be exacerbated as the bacterium takes hold. Your immediate priority should be abatement and eradication of the infection. Recommended steps: salvage further alien research data on a possible vaccine. Investigate the mechanisms which have enabled the indigenous ecosystem to inhibit the symptoms of the infection. Oh my god, guys. We'll leave it there. Come back for the next episode. Things are getting very, very interesting. Peace out.